Hey everybody, Kartik Subramaniam over at ADHI Schools. Welcome to your real estate tip of the week. If you want to build a sustainable, leverageable, and duplicatable business in real estate, it's very important to remember that it will be hard to get there if you have a buyer-focused business. Remember, your business should, at least you should strive to make it 65% listing sold, 35% buyer-controlled sales. Having a lot of listings in your inventory is going to make sure that you can actually take weekends off occasionally, you can take nights off. It'll help you make more money on a per hour basis when you carry a listing inventory. Additionally, remember that if you have a lot of listings online, buyers are going to naturally come to you. So keep that in mind. If you're looking to build a sustainable, leverageable, and duplicatable business, listings are the name of the game. There's a reason why the saying has been true for so long in our business, you have to list to last. Go get those listings.